guys? Welcome to another episode of 3 Hours Adventure. Today we're going to be sharing with you one of our favorite ways to prepare deer meat, and that is canning. If you've never had canned deer meat, you're missing out. We're going to show you now how to do it yourself. It's an easy process, fairly time consuming, but totally worth it. So stay with us.
So the two main things you're going to need are your jars and some canning salt. But some other handy things to have are a bubble remover and a jar lifter. Wash your jars and prepare them for packing. You're going to want your meat cut in about 1-inch cubes, and you're going to want to fill each jar as full as you can get it. Pack it down good and tight. This is where the bubble remover comes in handy. You can use the handle of a spoon or something else, but the jar lifter actually came with the bubble remover, so we're going to use it. We're going to remove as many air bubbles as possible and pack the meat as tight as you can. And put 1 teaspoon of canning salt on top of the meat in each jar. So we'll wipe off the top of each jar before we put the lids on, just to make sure that there was no salt or meat or anything there that might prevent it from sealing properly, and put the lids on each jar. Place your jars in your canner. Try to make sure that the jars aren't touching if possible. This canner holds 7 quart jars. Then you want to add your water. Bring the water up to a boil and wait for it to start to steam. After it begins steaming, you can put your weight on top and allow the pressure to build. You're going to bring it up to around between 12 and 15 pounds. After you get up to pressure, you're going to let it cook for 90 minutes. When the 90 minutes are up, remove your canner from the heat. After all the pressure is bled off, you can remove your lid. And then you can remove your jars. And now I'm going to put more jars in to start the second batch. After the first batch, we're going to have to add some water. Put the lid back on, set it back on the heat, and start the timer for 90 minutes again. And that's it. You'll set the jars out and let them cool. As they cool, you should hear them pop to know that they've sealed correctly. And now your deer meat is cooked and preserved and ready to use whenever you need it. And it's also a great way to save some freezer space. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.